Alright, you are welcome again. Let's see another example. We have evaluate the limit if it exists. Lim as x approaches 1, x cubed minus 1 all over x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay? Yeah, this is what we asked to solve. Okay, let's try and insert 0 wherever we see x. Let's see what we are going to have. So if you do so, we are going to have 0 all over 0. Okay, so we want to solve this so that we will not have 0 all over 0. Okay, now what are we going to do? Let's see. We are going to have lim as x approaches 1. This x cubed minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 in bracket x squared plus x plus 1. Please, if you don't understand this, please watch our introduction to limit. Okay, you're going to understand better. So we are having lim as x approaches 1, x minus 1 in bracket x squared plus x plus 1. So this is the same as x cubed minus 1. Please try and perform the operation. That is, say x minus 1 multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1. Let's see what we're going to get. So after your operation, we're going to arrive at x squared minus 1. Okay, now let's go. All over x squared minus 3x plus 2. This is a quadratic. Okay, so I want you to factorize this or solve this quadratic equation. At the end of your solving, so we're going to arrive at x minus 1 in bracket and then x minus 2. Okay, so that means we are having lim as x approaches 1, x minus 1 in bracket x squared plus x plus 1 in bracket all over x minus 1 in bracket x minus 2 in bracket. Okay, so now we are saying that we have x minus 1 in a numerator and at the same time we have x minus 1 in a denominator, so they can cancel each other. Alright, so after that we're going to have lim as x approaches 1, x squared plus x plus 1 all over x minus 2. Exactly? Yes. Now let's insert 1 wherever we see x. So we are going to have lim as x approaches 1, 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 again, 3. All over 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Is that true? So we're going to have 3 all over minus 1. So 3 all over minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Okay? Yes, that is it. After our evaluation, we come up with a value minus 3. That is when you evaluate x cubed minus 1 all over x squared minus 3x plus 2 as x approaches 1, you are going to have minus 3. Alright, thank you very much. Please keep watching, keep practicing, and then subscribe if you have not done so. Alright, let's continue. Let's see another example.